Okay, so here we are. We're in Nethy. We're headed out early in the morning to Roadrunner Mufflers located on Michigan in Kissimmee, Florida. I trust them quite a bit with the exhaust. We obviously have an exhaust leak on this car. It's actually from the hanger of the mid pipe. There's a hole. It's been driving me crazy. So much so that I haven't been wanting to drive the car. But now today, all that will change because I am sure that they will fix it. I know these guys for years, family-owned business, know the dad way back in the 90s, tell my age, and they just do real work, good work. His son now does it. I know him back from many of years. All of them are car guys. His dad is into American muscle. His son is also American muscle, but he's also had a few JDM cars. He's had Porsches, Vipers. The guy's had everything, whatnot, and we're gonna go over there now and get this thing squared away. I mean, listen to that. I can't stand an exhaust leak, and on a rotary car, forget it. It's the worst thing in the world. A rotary car with an exhaust leak sounds like total trash. I mean, trash. So I'm happy just to get the car over there, get it all squared away so I can enjoy the car. I enjoy this car all the time. But I tell you what, the exhaust leak sucks. And I don't enjoy the car when it has an exhaust leak. So, all the temperatures on the car run really great on this car. Never overheats. This car's a dream to drive. All the gauges work. You know, the gauges are a real pain in the butt of these cars. You know, I mean, it's an old car. So the gauges start to go out. I had these rebuilt a while back ago. I think it was last year. And I'll get more information. As I get more viewers, every 100 views, every 100 subscribers, I'm going to go ahead and do a review on some of the parts that on this car. And this car has quite a few aftermarket parts. It's very well modded. From the outside you can't really tell, but she's very modded. A lot of mods, a lot of reliability mods. They are necessary, in my opinion. They're necessary, and they make for a great Rx7, a reliable Rx7. So we're getting there here. Nice English, right? We're getting there. And I know these guys are gonna square us away. We're coming early because this place is super busy. They're super popular, so they're super busy because they do super good work. And when you leave there, you leave satisfied. So we're getting here. Oh, there it is there. A little downshift here. We get there. Yep, they're there already. There's a few cars already on. They just opened up. They opened up at 8:30. It's around 8:45. There's already a few cars there. So it should be a good time. See your cars.